Alright, so I have two different pictures here. Well, actually they are the same picture, but one is better than the other. For example, if I zoom in on the helmet of this first picture, you'll see that there are some pixelation appearing, and in general it just doesn't look good. There are some details that are missing, and I don't think this is going to be the thing that you want to see when you are zooming the picture, or if you expect people to look closely at the picture. However, if I do the same on the second picture, you'll see that there is a massive gap between the quality. You can zoom into whatever level that you want, but the image would remain detailed. There's going to be no pixelation, there's going to be no jagged line. So this is what we call a vectorized image, and this is quite popular among designers, illustrators, and of course animators. And usually you can use an SVG image or vectorized image on software like Adobe Illustrator to easily change the color or modify the picture. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can turn a regular picture into an SVG or vectorized picture using AI. And the tool that I'm going to use is called Recraft. I'm going to leave the link in the video description where you can sign up for free, and you will get 200 free credits if you are using the sign up link in the video description. Now, after you sign up into this website, you can log in and then you can click create new project. And by the way, this is a fantastic text to image tool, and it's actually ranking on the spot number 2 in this Hugging Face text to image leaderboard. So it is, I would say, in many ways better than Flux, better than Midjourney, and the best part is that this is free. But anyway, let's go back to the tutorial. And then here, I'm going to turn these two pictures into a vectorized image. So this is a picture of a distracted boyfriend. I think a lot of you knows these two pictures. There's also the disaster girl, that the girl smiling, and then in the background there is a burning house, which looks really funny. And I'm going to upload this first picture, and I will do it again for the second picture. Alright, let me just drag and drop this picture into this canvas area, and then just wait until the image is fully uploaded. Alright, now in order to turn this into an SVG file, you can right click and then click vectorize. Now you just need to wait until the image is being vectorized. Alright, so this is the result, and you can definitely tell that there are some details that are missing from this picture, and this is actually a common side effect when you're using AI to turn a regular or rasterized image into a vectorized image. So you probably have to consider this possibility that some details might be missing initially, but when it is done, you can zoom into whatever level that you want, but there's going to be no pixelation in the picture. So that's basically how you can do it. Now I'll do it again for the second picture. The process is the same, and I think I forgot to mention about one thing here, that if you're using the free version of Recraft AI, you can only upload up to 3 images per day. So this is actually my third upload, so I cannot upload any more image to Recraft unless if I wait for the next day, and then I can upload more images. So that's one consideration when you're working with Recraft. If you have a lot of images that you want to convert, then I guess you have to use a different tool. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can convert the regular picture into a vectorized picture. And then if you want to download this picture, you can right click and then click export as, and then select either SVG or Lottie. Let's select SVG first. And yeah, there you go. This is the file. I can open it with Google Chrome, and this is the result. I can zoom in to whatever level I want, and it still remains detailed. So yeah, I hope this video is helpful, and if you want to see more AI tutorials, then please consider subscribing to this channel. And in any case, I wish you a great day ahead.